Hey guys, it's Ryan with My Listing Club. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily add coupons to a link and also how to apply coupons to a link as well as a product within that same link. We're going to do all of this with a simple code snippet and no need for plugins here. So let's go ahead and jump into it. From the My Listing Club website, just go ahead and click on menu up here at the top. Go to resources. It's going to be this very first one here if you happen to be looking at this video today. If you look at this video months from now, it's most likely going to be pushed down and out of view. But you can go ahead and find it by filtering this stuff out by code snippets or filtering it by content tag and coupons. So however you like to filter, you should be able to find it pretty easily. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into this post where the code snippet is. If you're a My Listing Club member, you're going to get access to everything within this post. As you see here, my recommendation, as always, is WP CodeBox for applying code snippets to your site. If you care about performance and ease of administration and a host of other huge benefits from using this plugin. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and move this post to my other screen and follow my own instructions for setting this up. Okay, so here we are in the dashboard of a test My Listing site. It's just bare bones. There's hardly anything going on with it. I don't even have a coupon created yet. I just have a basic product created ahead of time. So we're going to really do this together live here. All right, the first step here is to copy the code snippet, which I've done. I'm now going to dive over into WP CodeBox. WP CodeBox defaults to PHP as like the default snippet type. So we're good to go there. I'm just going to do a Control V and paste this in. You can do, however you like to paste stuff in. I'm going to paste that snippet in, save it, activate it, and that's all there is to it as far as the snippet goes. Okay. Moving on with the instructions. The first one we're going to do here is apply a coupon to the entire cart. As the instructions say, add the code snippet to your site. We've already done that. Create a coupon. Let's go ahead and do that. So let's pretend we're at the base level of the WordPress dashboard, which we are now. So for that, we're going to go coupons. We're going to go to marketing and then coupons. Click on create your first coupon. Maybe you guys already have a coupon set up, so that's cool. Whatever situation you got going on there. I'm going to create a coupon called Ryan100. I'm going to say the discount type is a 100% discount. And I'm going to leave everything else to the defaults there. You can set up your coupons however you wish there. I'm going to publish it. Okay, so we've got our first two steps done. Super easy. Next up is to use the URL that I provide you in this post as a guide. You're simply going to replace the domain with your own domain, and you're going to replace the coupon code with your own coupon code. That's all there is to it. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go over here to the front end of this site and view it like a visitor would. Sorry, let me go ahead and punch this in. There we go. So this is that sandbox site. I'm here as a visitor. I'm going to go ahead and just drop in this URL, the whole URL. Then I'm going to clean it up a little bit here. So I'm going to take out the https://example.com because that's what we want to replace. Okay, so this is how the URL should look: your domain /cart/ !coupon _ code equals, and then your coupon code. So that's going to be that Ryan100 coupon that we created. Okay. Yeah, that's all there is to it. When I hit enter here now, it should apply this coupon to our entire cart. Now, the thing in this particular example for this video is we haven't added anything to our cart, but it's going to go ahead and apply that coupon so that anything that they add to their cart, it will give them that discount. So maybe another good way to maybe do this, but a better way as far as communicating this would be, hey guys, follow this link when there's two ways. You could say, follow this link. It's going to apply the coupon into your cart and then start shopping. The other way is start adding stuff to your cart And when you're ready to check out, follow this link. You know, you can get creative with how you do it. Okay. So let's go ahead and hit enter here. And then this is the downside of not having them shop first. So now they have to go add items to their cart, and then that coupon's going to show up in there. And the next example I'm going to show you, it may be more practical for a lot of cases, but I just wanted to show you this as an example too, as an easy way to apply a coupon to the entire cart. Okay, so let's go to the shop. Let's add the one product we've got in here. Okay, that's added to the cart. Now let's go to the cart, check out. Here we see the coupon Ryan 100 has been applied, and it's applied a 100% coupon. So now our total is free. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter now how many of these we add. So let's add a couple more. Go to cart. And there we see $30 has been removed, so it's free. So that's the beauty of this particular URL usage, is that it's applying to the entire cart rather than them having to go product by product. Okay, so that is one example. Let me go ahead and clear out this cart. Now let's look at the other one. And what we're going to do here is we're going to apply a coupon to a specific product. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and copy the code. I'm going to drop it in here. We're going to do the same thing again. I'm going to clean up this URL. So we don't need this part. So we take that out. Okay, that's all there is to it as far as copying that and pasting that in. We need to replace it with our coupon again. So Ryan 100. So we're going to give a 100% discount for this product. This is the key here. Add to cart equals this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has to match your product ID. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. We're going to go back to our dashboard. We don't need to worry about the coupon anymore. That's already set up. So let's go to our products. And all you need to do is hover over the desired product that you want to give a discount for. And there you go. You'll see that ID appears here. So our ID here is 20. You can copy it or just memorize it. We're going to go back to the front end of our site as that shopper, customer, visitor, however you want to call it. We're going to change the product here to 20. Okay. So let's review this URL before we move forward. Your domain, okay, is the first part, /checkout/?, add to cart equals 20. 20 is the product ID of the product you want to give the discount for. Coupon code is what triggers the coupon code, and then equals our coupon code, okay? This may seem complicated, but it's not. Once you see my post on how to do this, I think it'll all just be super simple for you, okay? Yeah, so after I hit enter here, we should see the magic happen, which is this product will be 100% off. There we go. So the beauty of this one is it automatically dumps us into the cart, into the checkout process, because it's already added that product to our cart and applied the coupon code. So we've added that test product. Here we see that up here. Here's the coupon it applied, and here's our 0, and they can check out. Okay, pretty cool stuff, right? Anyway, I hope this has got your creative juices flowing on how you can do some things on your website. And please click subscribe so you know when the next videos come out and the next walkthroughs of the code snippets or whatever other videos that I come up with. All right, hope all is well and talk soon. Bye-bye.